Look, Kliko, I have typed a birthday greetings in MS Word for my friend Veena. Her birthday is tomorrow.
That's nice, Rennie. Now you know so much about MS Word.
Thanks, Kliko. But I wish I can make the document more beautiful, just like a greeting card.
You definitely can, Rennie. You need to format the document.
What is formatting, Kliko?
Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive.
Format in MS Word?
We can format text in MS Word by using the font group and the paragraph group under the Home tab.
Wow, that's great. Please show me how.
First, let me show you how to make the text on the heading bold. First, select the text you want to make bold. Click on the Home tab. Click the bold icon on the font group. The text will appear in bold. Doesn't that make it look nicer?
That sure does, Kliko.
Now, let me show you how to make the heading appear in italics. First, select the text you want to make it italic. Click on the Home tab. Click the italic icon on the font group. Look, the word you have selected turned italic.
Can I underline a word?
Definitely, you underline a word. First, select the text you want to underline. Click on the Home tab. Click the underline icon in the font group. Look, the text is underlined.
Great. I wish I can change the style of some of the words in the document.
Yes, you can by changing the font.
What is the font?
In MS Word, font is the look and shape of the letters of the text. In MS Word, there are many fonts you can choose from.
Please show me the steps.
Okay. First, select the text you want to change the font. Then, click on the Home tab. Click on the drop-down list arrow on the font button from the font group. Now, select the font type from the list and click on it to apply. Look, the font of the selected words has changed. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the size of the font from the font size option. In MS Word, the maximum default font size is 72 points.
How can we change the color of the font?
Yes, you can apply different colors to the text. To change the color of the text, first, select the text for which you want to change the color. Click on the Home tab. Click the drop-down list on Font Color button in Font Group. A color palette appears. Select the color you want from the palette and click it to apply. The color of the selected text has changed now.
That's really nice, Kliko.
You can also highlight any text you want in the document.
Really? How do we highlight text?
In MS Word, highlighting means placing a colored rectangle over the word. The text to highlight, the steps are: first, select the text to be highlighted. Click the Home tab. Then, click the drop-down list on the Highlight button in Font Group. A color palette appears. Select the required color from the palette and click on it to apply. Look, the selected words are now highlighted.
How can I take the heading words to the middle of the page?
You can do it by using the alignment option. Alignment is a way of placing text on a page. With this function, you can align text as left, right, center and justified. In order to make the heading text center align, first select the text and then click on the center alignment option in the Home tab. Look, the heading is now at the center.
Look at these lists on the document. Can I make it more attractive in the MS Word?
Yes, you can. Put a number or a bullet against the text to make the list attractive.
Show me the steps to create lists with numbers.
To create a list with numbers, first type the items you want to add numbers to and select them. Then click on the Home tab. Click the drop-down list on the numbering button icon in the paragraph group. Select the type of list you want. The list is now numbered.
Thanks. What about creating a list with bullets?
If you want to add bullets or other symbols in the list, then follow these steps. Type the items you want to add bullets to and select them. Click the Home tab. Click on the drop-down list arrow on the Bullets button in the paragraph group. Select the bullet of your choice. The list is now bulleted. Doesn't that make it attractive?
Yes, Kliko, it does. Thank you for your help.